Hey guys, it looks like another chair has found its way to my workshop in search of repair. So it looks like I will be learning how to recane a cane seat on a chair. Not something I've done before, so yeah, I'm sure it'll work out okay. This is just a quick introductory clip. I've ordered up the cane, so when that comes we'll get stuck in. But what I find unusual about this chair is there's absolutely no joinery used at all. The whole thing is put together with what look like bolts and nuts. There's no joints anywhere on this chair, and so I'd be very curious if you guys are familiar with this type of construction. I'm gonna, I'm not an expert on these things, but I'm gonna go out on a limb and say this is not an antique of any sort. It just seems really odd that, if you like, the wood is bent in such a way to make this style of chair, and then you assemble the chair just with nuts and bolts, and then to top it off, you put a cane seat on it, which again seems a little out of place if you're putting it together with nuts and bolts. So anyway, there you go. Interesting one as always. So if any of you guys know anything about this type of chair, by all means give me a shout in the comments, and hopefully in a little while when the cane arrives we'll get stuck in. Fortunately, good old YouTube comes to the rescue. There are many excellent tutorials on how to do this, so in theory I have no excuse for not making it happen. Time will tell. Right guys, more to come in a bit. Bye.